It was almost time to go home. But today, we almost did not make it.
New York! We are really here! Look at the window. It is so big.
Good morning, New York.
Beautiful. Truly beautiful.
Breakfast, then Times Square, then Liberty Island.
Oh, and hot dogs. We need hot dogs.
Passport, phone, wallet, all here.
You check every day, Daddy. This orange juice is the best juice ever.
You say that every morning, Leo.
Mom, can I have one more croissant?
One more. But eat slowly.
The boat to Liberty Island leaves at 2 o'clock.
We have plenty of time. Do not worry.
Ready? Let's go. Let's go now.
Leo, we just sat down.
This hotel is so fancy.
Eyes forward, Leo. Stay close. Good morning, family. Have a wonderful day in New York.
Thank you. We plan to.
Oh, a ball. Where did that come from? Got it. Almost. Just a little more. Wait, wait. Mom, Dad, Leo.
Leo is in the elevator. He is going up.
What floor? Which floor is he going to?
Do not worry. I will stop it at floor 5. Stay calm. Please hurry.
Is Leo okay, Mom?
He is okay. He is okay.
Daddy, it was so dark and fast.
I have you. You are safe now.
Leo. Oh, Leo, you scared us so much.
I am sorry, Mom. I just wanted the ball. Leo, listen. Never run ahead of us. Never.
I know. I am sorry, Daddy. I promise.
Here you go, young man. Feeling better?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
From now on, you hold my hand outside. Deal?
Deal. Look at all the lights. It is not even night. There are so many people here. Oh, a little Statue of Liberty. Can I get one, Mom?
Of course. Pick the one you like.
This one is the prettiest. I love it. Mom, someone took my bag.
Stop! Stop that person!
Which way? Where did they go?
That way. The blue jacket.
I see them. Stay right here. Please hurry. Her souvenir is in there.
My little statue is in there.
It is okay. The officer will help us.
Stay calm, Maya. She is very fast.
I hope she catches them.
Here is your bag. Everything is still inside.
My statue. It is here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, officer.
You are welcome. Please hold your bags close in the city. Maya, always hold your bag in front. Always.
I will, Mom. I promise. New York is exciting. But you have to be careful. Finally, the hot dogs.
You have been waiting all morning.
This is the best hot dog in the world. You say that about everything today.
Okay. We need a taxi to the ferry terminal. Time to go.
I will find one. Wait here.
Taxi. Over here. Where to, folks?
Battery Park Ferry Terminal, please. 10 minutes in this traffic. Maybe 12.
Look, Maya. Yellow taxis everywhere. It looks like a movie.
After Liberty Island, we eat dinner near the hotel.
And then early sleep. The flight is at 7 tomorrow.
Wait. My phone! Where is my phone? My phone is gone. And my wallet.
What?
My passport was in the wallet. It is not here.
Ethan, look at me. Breathe.
We cannot go home without a passport, Daddy.
I know, Leo. I know.
The taxi. He must have left it inside.
Can we call him?
I left my wallet in a yellow taxi. Can you help? The number. What was the number? Think.
Daddy, I took a photo of it. Look, cab number 4726. Maya, you are incredible.
Please come back. Please.
Will he come back, Dad?
I hope so, Leo. Begestem Flyagtress.
I drew the Statue of Liberty. She is very tall.
Is this yours? I found it right away under the seat. Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. You drove all the way back. You did not have to. Hey, it is the right thing to do.
There are very good people in this city. Like Maya. She remembered the number.
You saved us today, Maya. Well done.
I just like taking photos of everything. She is so big. Her arm goes all the way up. She has a book in her other hand.
Everyone smile. This is a perfect moment.
After today, I will take nothing for granted.
The last boat. It leaves in 8 minutes.
8 minutes? We are on the other side of the island.
8 minutes. The last boat leaves in 8 minutes.
And we are on the far side of the island. Run! Everyone run now! Follow me!
Run? Now? Dad, I cannot run in sandals.
Hold them in your hand. Keep moving.
Ow, my knee.
Up, Leo. I have you. Come on.
Daddy, you are running so fast.
I know. Hold on tight.
No! No, no! We missed it!
It is moving. It is already moving.
Wait! Please wait for us!
They cannot hear you, Mom.
The next regular boat is in 2 hours.
2 hours. Our flight is at 7.
It is 4:30 now. 2 hours means 6:30.
We will not make it. We need another way. Is there another boat going back sooner?
5:15. That gives us almost 90 minutes to the airport.
It is tight, but we can try.
Is it my fault? I slowed us down.
No. We all forgot to watch the time.
We will make it, okay? Together.
Promise?
Okay, everyone in. Fast!
This boat is very small.
It is so fast! Look at the water!
Come on. Come on.
We are almost back. I can see the buildings.
Please let there be a taxi. Please!
Taxi! Taxi! Over here!
Ah! There is one.
The yellow one! Hey. You again. Where to this time? JFK Airport. As fast as you can. Friday traffic. It is going to be slow.
How long?
Normally 40 minutes. Today, maybe 60. Maybe more. We have a flight at 7. 50 reorganization. We need 52 reorganization.
Do not say that out loud.
My knee hurts and my feet hurt. Me too. My sandals gave me blisters.
Leo, come here. Let me feel your head.
I am just tired, Mom.
He is warm. He has a fever.
How warm?
I do not have a thermometer, but it feels high.
We need to get to the airport now.
Hold on. I know a faster way. Not on the map. Please. Yes. Thank you.
Is this a shortcut?
My city. I know every road.
He is asleep. His head is hot.
We are almost there. Gate 32. We go straight there.
Leo, can you walk? Stay with me.
I feel dizzy, Mom.
I know, baby. Just a little more. He has a fever. We have a flight at 7.
Is this gonna stop us?
Hi there. What is your name? Leo. 38.5. He has a mild fever. Can he fly? He is tired and dehydrated. Not dangerous.
So he can board?
Take this. It will bring the fever down quickly. Will it taste bad?
A little. But you are a brave boy, right?
Ugh. A little bit bad.
8 minutes until boarding closes.
How long does the medicine take?
Mom? I think I feel a little better.
Really? 37.8. It is going down.
Is that enough? Can he go through?
He can fly. Keep him hydrated on the plane.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You helped our whole family today.
That is my job. Have a safe flight.
Gate 32. End of this corridor.
I can run. I am okay now.
Wait. We are here. 4 passengers. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We made it. We made it. I am never going on a holiday again.
You will change your mind by next week.
Mom, we are really going home.
We are, baby. We are.
Thank you for staying calm today.
I was not calm. I was just pretending.
You are the best pretender I know.
20 years of practice.
Mom, I am sorry about the elevator and being sick.
You do not need to be sorry. Just rest.
I kept it safe the whole day.
You did. You were so brave, Maya.
New York looks so beautiful from up here.
It does.
Always check before you leave the car. Always. He ran all day and got sick and still smiled.
He always smiles. Both asleep already.
It was a long day.
We almost lost Leo. We almost lost everything. But we made it. Together. It was almost time to go home. And I will never take a single moment for granted again.
We almost lost Leo in that elevator. We almost lost Maya's bag.
We almost missed the boat, the flight, everything. But we made it. Together.